Alright, so I've been testing both phones for a bit now, and honestly, this matchup is way closer than people think. The Xiaomi 17T Pro feels like the spec monster here. You get a massive 7.8-inch 144Hz display, a huge 7,000 mAh battery, and super fast 100 charging. It's built for people who game, multitask, and basically never want to see a charger. But then you've got the iPhone 17 Pro, and yeah, it's the more refined one. The A19 Pro chip is insanely smooth, the cameras are more consistent, especially in video, and iOS 26 just feels tighter overall. In daily use, Xiaomi wins on battery and value, no question. But Apple still wins on performance stability and camera reliability. So, which wins? If you want power and endurance, go Xiaomi. If you want polish and consistency, the iPhone still takes it. Honestly, it depends on whether you're chasing specs or experience.